Okay, we're ready for leaving.
With its unique, mild and adorable personality, the giant panda welcomes you from around the world. You are indeed fortunate to visit here, because now you can witness China's national treasure, the giant panda. In addition, you will now have the opportunity to learn about, and perhaps even observe the whole process of artificial breeding, conducted in the beautiful homeland of the giant panda at the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding. This process is some of humanity's pioneering undertakings, such as building the Great Wall or launching a satellite into space. This process is also humanity's philanthropic act, because today, less than 2,000 giant pandas are living on Earth. In its natural environment, the giant panda has evolved and survived miraculously for 8 million years. What magical power has helped it survive for so long? Why did its primary diet evolve from meat to bamboo? Why did the panda behavior shift from ferocious to a mild and ingenuous animal? And what caused its numbers to dwindle and to become a rare species that now only inhabits the mountain forests in western China? The answers to these questions require further research. This documentary vividly depicts the entire process of giant panda artificial breeding. The information contained within the documentary provides the scientific basis for future research. It is also very important to note that your trip here is worthwhile, for it is very rare for you to personally witness the process of artificial breeding. At the age of 15, humans have become sexually mature. They begin to experience feelings and exhibit behaviors of love. Akin to many other animals, when the panda is approximately 5 years old, it may also experience feelings of love each spring. This period is called estrus. By observing giant pandas' estrus behavior, scientists can probe into a giant panda's breeding and reproductive behaviors and patterns. Given that the wild giant pandas inhabit high mountains and deep valleys, its estrus behavior can rarely be observed. In addition, giant pandas conduct estrus behavior in an absolutely secret manner. After repeated observation, analyses and research, scientists have finally grasped the basic phenomenon of the giant panda's unique estrus.
每年到了这个春天，到了这个4、5月
April through May is the giant panda estrus season.
熊猫的这个发情季节。
When the female panda comes into its peak estrus, it either cries or leaves urine marks to convey its message.
传递它的信息，它也会做一些标记。
These markings, including some substances through the glands surrounding its anus, leave an odor to communicate its estrus status to the male giant panda. The staple food of the giant panda is bamboo. An adult giant panda can eat approximately 40 kilograms of bamboo shoots or 17 kilograms of bamboo stems, or 10 to 14 kilograms of bamboo leaves per day. The giant panda's digestive tract only absorbs less than 20% of the eaten bamboo, and the rest is discharged from the body. Malnutrition may result in hypothermia. In order to counteract this problem, giant pandas usually eat more and are less active to maintain their physical strength. This might be the reason why giant pandas appear lazy and engage in less energy-consuming activities, as mating requires increased physical strength. Success on the government examination and wedding night was once two pleasures of the ancient Chinese. As for the giant panda, the two pleasures should be to eat fresh bamboo and to find a satisfactory mate. Sources of bamboo are plentiful, while a good spouse is hard to find. The first reason for this difficulty is that the giant panda has an unsociable disposition and few opportunities to meet the opposite sex. The second reason is that even if they meet the opposite sex, the two might not be the right match. In the wild, giant pandas are distributed in an island pattern of small populations, whereby close breeding has hampered their genetic diversity. Moreover, if bamboo cyclically booms and withers, and the giant panda of excellent lineage cannot find their mate to copulate with, over a number of years, their survival will be in jeopardy. The average life cycle of a species is 5 million years. The giant panda has far exceeded its age and can be counted as an old species at 8 million years old. Captivity conditions of the 1980s, especially those relating to breeding, faced three difficulties. The first was detecting estrus and breeding times. The second was conception, and the third was cub survival. After years of effort, we have gradually solved these three problems. Unfortunately, we are still confronted with a problem. The future of the wild giant panda species remains bleak. It is imperative that we practice artificial breeding to achieve ex situ conservation, which is a key component of in situ conservation of the giant panda. In the warm and blossoming spring, researchers at the base are busy looking for the giant panda's mates and creating opportunities for their free love. Should their matchmaking efforts fail, our researchers resort to artificial breeding method, namely artificial semen collection and artificial insemination. In regards to artificial breeding of giant pandas, we usually use the electric stimulation method for semen collection. The first step is to anesthetize the male giant panda and then electrically stimulate it to collect semen. In the past, this method was not efficient and had a poor success rate. However, we have improved our technology to drastically increase the efficiency of semen collection. We have invented a new semen collecting method, which is called massage combined with electric stimulation semen collection. The present semen collection method is an improvement over those of the past. At the same time, this method has minimized the discomfort to the giant panda during collection.